you find this video useful, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more content that I make, then subscribe, but I don't blame you if you don't. You're here because your wipers don't work. So my wipers were really slow one morning. We get a lot of condensation here and I need to use in the fall my wipers a lot every morning, or otherwise I'm gonna be late for work. So one day they were really slow. Eventually they stalled on the windshield. Got to work and I did a couple of little Google searches, and it turns out that the linkage is probably seized, and it's probably common. So with a little bit of advice from YouTube, I took the linkage out. I drilled a couple of holes on the seized side and sprayed some penetrant in there, and it probably would have been fine. That's what I did, was drilled a couple of holes in there, put a bunch of penetrating oil in there, and I'm pretty sure that this probably would have been serviceable for the rest of the time that I own this vehicle, because when I first took this apart, I could not turn this by hand. Yeah, they work so much better than they were working. Like, high didn't even work. It was so slow. It's gonna have a shorter lifespan, so I should replace it. I went to the dealer. They had 6 linkages in stock in our little town, and that's a lot. So it's definitely a high failure rate. It's 2024 when I make this video, so I got 6 years out of the other one. So I replaced it with a third party that I got at Canadian Tire for $140. That's half the price of what the part was at Ford. So anyway, this is just installing it. Windshield wiper linkage replacement is a big job that's best left to professionals.